And one more thing I want to mention, Sam, is that, we talked about the weight plates a lot that go on the quick lock dumbbells, but the other pieces, the handles and the locking screws, the chromed parts, right? Those we manufacture in Taiwan instead of China. And there's a few different reasons that we do that. Number one is we have a good partner factory that, that we've been working with to try to optimize the manufacturing and improve the quality of kind of like the Japanese Kaizen principle, where we just keep making it better and better all the time as much as we can. But there's other reasons too, which is the steel that is available in Taiwan is a higher grade of steel generally across the board than what you can find in mainland China. And so like the steel that we use for the locking screws, the square backing plates on the handles, all those kind of things is of just a slightly higher grade. The surface quality is better. The hardness is better. It's just a higher grade. It's more Japanese specification steel than what you see in mainland. And so I think that's really important. The other thing is that, we've done, and I think Taiwan is generally known for, making, like in the bicycle industry, if you want to buy like a really, really good bike that you can run the Tour de France with, you're not going to buy one that's made in China, but in Taiwan, they have, the infrastructure and the supply chain and also the education level to like really focus on making higher grade of products, right? So we're manufacturing stuff in Taiwan that most people would manufacture in China, and because of trying to save costs, but that's not my primary goal. I want to offer a good price, a good fair price, but I also, want to put out the best quality product that we can, and balance that, right? So that's why we do that, and that definitely makes us unique. Taiwan doesn't really have a decent materials and supply chain for doing casting work, for foundry work. So that's why we picked the cat. That's why we ended up moving our doing our production in China for the kettlebells and the weight plates for the dumbbells and all that kind of stuff, all the casting work. But the specialty stamped and machined parts, we're getting better results by doing them there in Taiwan. So
and just like the machining that's required in the weight plates, the actual backing plates on the dumbbells, the handle, sorry, that's a very precise process as well. And if there's any deviation, whether it be in the backing plate or even the weld around the handle, the plates don't mate right. And I know for you you can do it by the thousands, but that sort of precision, I know we've all your flat pack equipment, they're actually sort of got tolerance built in them. So when you build your machine, you can wobble it quite a bit side to side to adjust it and allow for variability. Whereas they might you're going, oh, why am I paying so much for these handles? Compared to other gym equipment, you look at a set of spin lock dumbbell handles, for example, and then you compare these, but they're like a totally different category of manufacturing. It's so precise, and as you said, so precise, but the quality materials that you can't even get into China. And